What if the biggest scientific discoveries of our time were not happening only in labs or on distant observatories, but also inside algorithms, sensors, and satellites? Right now, technology is changing how we study the natural world at a scale humans have never had before. We can track migrating whales from space, simulate climate futures in minutes, and identify new species using machine learning. Science is not just being supported by technology anymore. In many cases, it is being accelerated by it. Let us start with one of the biggest shifts: data. For most of history, scientists had to rely on small samples, careful observation, and a lot of patience. Today, technology gives us something radically different: constant streams of information. Weather stations, ocean buoys, drones, satellites, and tiny field sensors can collect millions of measurements every day. That matters because patterns in nature often only become visible at scale. For example, in ecology, researchers can attach GPS tags to animals and watch migration routes in real time. This helps scientists understand where animals feed, breed, and face danger. That information can directly guide conservation efforts, like protecting critical habitats or changing shipping routes to reduce whale collisions. In climate science, powerful computers run simulations that help predict how forests, ice sheets, and coastlines may respond to rising temperatures. These models are useful because they let scientists test what-if scenarios before real-world damage happens. What if emissions drop sharply? What if deforestation speeds up? Technology helps turn those questions into evidence. Artificial intelligence is another major game changer. AI can scan huge amounts of microscope images, satellite photos, or DNA data much faster than humans can. In medicine and biology, that means faster detection of diseases, better mapping of ecosystems, and even the discovery of patterns researchers might otherwise miss. A useful example: an AI system can identify invasive plant species in drone footage, helping land managers respond early before those species spread. Technology is also making science more accessible. Citizen science apps let ordinary people contribute observations like bird sightings, insect counts, or plant locations. That may sound small, but when thousands of people participate, it creates a massive and valuable data set. It turns the public into part of the scientific process. The deeper mechanism here is simple. Technology reduces the gap between observation and understanding. It lets scientists see more, measure more, and respond faster. And because the natural world is dynamic, always changing, speed and scale matter. So the story is not just that technology is changing science. It is that science is becoming more connected, more predictive, and more powerful because of it. And the next breakthrough might come from a telescope, a drone, a sensor, or an algorithm quietly finding a pattern no human had noticed yet. How technology is transforming science and the natural world is just one small part of technology innovations for students interested in science and nature. If you are interested, our full free technology innovations for students interested in science and nature course is linked in the description.